Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to connect the Bluetooth in an Audi. So a lot of times I've seen many people, they find it to be difficult to connect their phones to Bluetooth phone to the car and stuff. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in a second. Yeah. Okay. So basically this is your infotainment system. So you go all the way to settings and you go to connection manager, primary phone, OnePlus 60. So I'm using a OnePlus 60, so you just basically click this, okay, and this is how it's ended. So if you want to connect it, just go here, connection manager, primary phone, and OnePlus 60. Just one thing, the difference between the two modes here in connection manager is that the primary phone is the one which has by which you can take calls, and this is a really nice feature because if someone wants their phone if someone wants to take calls on their phone, so they can put their phone in primary phone, and if somebody else wants music to be playing from their phone, so they can connect their phone under Bluetooth audio player. So that's a really nice thing because it provides a lot of accessibility and gives you a lot of freedom in terms of connection. Yeah, so this is it. Let me know what else tutorials you would like to see. Comment down below and subscribe.